Alright guys, so today's video, we got something a little bit different. We're going to be making a custom, what are we calling this thing? Custom like tow, hitch, shackle thing. I don't know what the official name is of it, but Omar basically made it. I'm going to show you guys what he did and what we're going to do on his Silverado. So, I don't know if you guys like Chevy stuff, but we got a Silverado. We'll probably show it in another video, do a quick little review. It's pretty cool. He's got it leveled. Got some nice tires on it and rims, method wheels. This is what we got going on though. So he's got, this is just a regular standard pin. He's gonna go and get a locking one because of course if he uses that, somebody's gonna probably jack it and steal it. This is the part that he made. He basically took a trailer hitch. He took it to somewhere that welded it. They lobbed it off and then he had this massive nut that they welded on. It's pretty cool. And then of course the shackle part and the bolt that's gonna go through it. And we're gonna paint all this stuff up. I think we're probably gonna do is, this is gonna be red, that's gonna be black, and then we'll do the pin red as well. So we're gonna paint all this stuff up, and then we're gonna put it on his truck, and we'll see how it looks. Should be pretty cool. Omar's already having technical difficulties. Okay, round two. The truck's out of the way now, so. Okay, so everything's painted. We got this red, got that black, red, black. So we're gonna let this stuff dry up. A few more coats, we'll hit it with some clear, and then we'll be able to throw it all together, see how she looks. Okay, so it's the next day. This is the final end product. Looks pretty cool. We didn't really show you the assembly, but I mean, it was pretty basic. We just put that bolt through there and threw it together, so nothing too complicated, but came out pretty good, and that's how it looks on the back of the truck. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the Instagram channel, same thing, at BoostedMotorsports. No spaces. But let me know what you guys think of that in the comments below. See you on the next video. Take care.